And Bengal goes to poll today amid raging pandemic in the state, and voting is underway on 45 seats across 6 districts at a time when state recorded over 6,000 cases in the last 24 hours. The Election Commission has ordered a new set of curbs. EC has said that no rallies, public meetings or campaigning shall be allowed on any campaigning days between 7 p.m. and 10 a.m. The silence period has also been increased to 72 hours for rest of the phases in Bengal. This after the state chief electoral officer held hours-long meeting with the key parties over violation of COVID protocols during West Bengal polls. Interestingly, even as this meeting was being held, mega rallies of both the TMC and the BJP were seen in other parts of Bengal. In fact, I am now being joined by Tanima Biswas to give more details on this particular phase of polling which is being witnessed in the state of West Bengal. So, Tanima, good morning. First of all, before the poll season began for the first time amid pandemic, Election Commission had come up with a lot of COVID rules for polling days. Some which I can remember are mandatory thermal screening at booths, separate time slots for COVID positive patients. And these kind of rules need to be followed to the T, given the kind of delicate situation that is there as far as COVID is concerned in the state of West Bengal and rest of the country. But is it being done? What are you picking up from Kamarhati?
Right, we brought you a different set of polling booths that we covered at around 8 o'clock. Right now at 9 o'clock, I'm at another polling booth, and you can see that the situation is slightly better over here. Not ideal, but slightly better in the sense that there is some sort of distancing that we can see being maintained between people here at this particular polling booth. There is, as the rule we have seen in different polling booths earlier as well, a separate line for women and a separate one for men. And what we can in fact see is that today, at least at a time when Bengal is recording almost 7,000 COVID cases on a daily at a daily rate, at that time people are a little bit more aware compared to earlier phases. We can actually see that a lot more people are turning up wearing masks as well. Remember, we are in North 24 Parganas. After Kolkata, North 24 Parganas is the district which is seeing the maximum surge of COVID cases in the state. In fact, nearly 1,500 COVID cases had in fact been recorded just yesterday in this particular district. So, despite that, what we can in fact report is that the turnout has been more or less okay, considering the fact that there is a surge in the area and people are coming in. Usually what we see is Bengal, a lot of people poll earlier in the day. In the afternoon, the polling rate in a way slows down. But at the moment, what we can in fact tell you is in this particular polling booth, the distancing aspect is slightly better compared to what we had seen earlier in the day at a separate polling booth just a few meters away. Gauri.
Right. Thank you, Tanima, for sharing that update and showing us as to what exactly is the situation at the polling booths in West Bengal amid the massive surge that the state is witnessing right now. In fact, if we just present some numbers which are coming in from West Bengal as far as COVID is concerned, in the last 24 hours, 6,910 COVID cases have been recorded across the state and 26 deaths have been recorded. And if we talk about the surge that the state of West Bengal is witnessing, on April 11, the COVID tally stood at 4,398 and it has now risen to 6,910.